Today we are going to work on a rental house. We're going to change main water shutoff valve. It's so weird to drive my wife's car to work on the house, basically with a bunch of tools in a little trunk. Yeah, it's so much better with a van. Oh well. Need to fix that guy. Hey, this is Vladimir Nemchinov, living live intentionally, and today we are replacing this leaky valve. It's a main shutoff valve, so we have to turn off the water at the street. I'll need to figure out how to replace it, so I can go to Home Depot and get the parts that I need to do it. Looks like I need a quarter turn shutoff valve, 3/4 inch diameter. Oh boy, I need a plumber. I need help. Something like this should work. So that guy knows what he's talking about. He's a plumber. I worked with him back in the day here. So this is the right valve for me, and I can probably replace it pretty easy. I'm gonna take this shark bite as well in case I will need to extend the pipe, and that would be the fastest and easiest way to do so. And I am good to go. I like shark bites a lot because it's very simple and easy fix. No time, no tools needed except pipe cutters. And that's it, I'm done.
Thank you for calling Cleveland Water. For a water emergency,
very much.
press 1. To hear a list of reported...
You have reached the Division of Water Emergency Services. This is Dar. May I have your name, please?
My name is Vladimir Nemchinov.
How can I help you?
I would like to shut off water at my house.
Is it for repair work or you sold the property?
Repair work.
Okay, we'll send someone over there.
Thank you very much. Alright, looks like it's the same size. So I'm not going to put couplings anywhere here. So I can return that, get my money back. And just need to undo this. Prepare everything before the water company comes so that when they come and unhook it, I can swap it real quick, hopefully. And that's it, it's done. Ground wire, I'm gonna put it on like this. Turns off, turns on. Now I probably can loosen this. No, I can't. This is a coupler, that's what I need to loosen. Water company came and they shut off the water, so I need to be quick. Ah, there it is. I didn't want that side to come off. All right. So this goes in one of these. Perfect. Put it this way. It goes up there. This goes in here. And this goes here. pretty quick though, harder than I planned at first. Alright, that should be it. I'm gonna try in a second how that's working. Hopefully that's it. That's it, guys. He's gonna turn on the water and hopefully it's not gonna be spraying everywhere. So far so good. Alright, it's all good. I just need to put the ground back in. And that would be it. That's it, guys. It's a relatively easy job. What you need to do is basically you need to figure out how you're gonna connect that. And if there's some problems, that's why I got that chuck bite coupling in case I need to. I thought this shut-off valve is a little shorter than the old one, but it turned out to be same length. So all I did is took out all those pipes, took them apart, took them off this valve. When I was putting them back in, put the thread sealant on them. This way it's gonna fill in all the cavities in between so the water's not gonna go through. And that's it, put them in, tighten them pretty hard. That's it, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog.